How's it going, guys? So this morning was a little strange. Britt woke me up because we were getting ready to take Yosh to work and it was snowing. Meanwhile, the car had the trailer still attached to it out in the yard like we usually do, and well, the car kind of sank. So I had to try to pull up the 4Runner this morning and this is the outcome. Head to toe. Yeah, and Britt somehow minorly rear-ended me. That's okay, no damage done to any of the vehicles, not a big deal. But we also went wheeling last night, so she's a little dirty. She's not as dirty as she was due to all the rain last night. But like, she was caked head to toe. So she was running a bit rough last night after going through some of the puddles, but I think it's just water. So we'll give her a quick fire up here. My goal is, I think we're gonna go pick up a new filter for her. I'm gonna change the fuel filter as well. I have another one in the glove box. I just have a little split in the line. I'll show you guys in a minute. Let's give her a fire up. Oh, I'm in gear. I'm just letting her warm up a bit so I can check the oil. Yeah, she's acting a little funny still. Back to normal again. So I'm gonna let her warm up for like another minute or two, and then I'm gonna check the oil. Actually, I think before all that, we're gonna go for a quick rip. We're gonna go and go pick up a few things. Alright, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change out the fuel filter, because my one is extremely dirty right now. So my fuel filter is all the way down here, and yeah, it looks pretty bad. So we need a flathead screwdriver. There we go. Alright, now that the old one's out, basically just reverse method here. Put the clamps back on, tighten them up. So here we go, now it's slowly starting to fuel up. We'll give it a minute or two, should be full. Now the next thing we are doing is we're going to do some sea foam in the truck, clean up the carburetor a bit. Okay, you want to hold it about 2,500. All you gotta do is dump some in. Now usually the other half of this goes in your jerry can, or into your gas tank I should say. But I usually just add it in my jerry can, considering I have a full 20 liter right here, and then I'll just dump it straight into the gas tank after that. This way it will clean out both your carburetor, and it'll also clean out your fuel lines as well. Alright, so now we're going to shut the truck down. Dump some gas in her. She's got just over half a tank in her at the moment. That's fine. Dump another 20 liters in. Should give me almost a full tank. Alright, so jerry can's pretty much done filling up. Throw the gas cap back in her. Go fire her up, see how much fuel we got now. Yep, that gave me about a 3/4 tank. So I'm happy with that. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Share, subscribe, and peace out.